First of all, I'm going to go back to our very first interview.
Yep.
Congratulations, you finally got your Raptor.
I know.
Because I asked you what you wanted for Christmas.
That's right. That's right.
And you said a Raptor, and you didn't get it.
I did get it. I got myself a Raptor.
Dude, high five.
Thanks, man.
We're done.
Thanks.
Well, you got a Raptor. You got a few of them.
Yeah, I thought maybe Ford would give me a free Raptor. No, I had to go buy it. But that makes me feel all right. I'm even more proud when I drive it.
So I'm going to call you the Dinosaur Whisperer.
Great, thank you.
Cesar Millan is give you the series now.
Thank you.
You must have had fun doing this.
I did. This is a fun movie. This is very fun. We shot in Hawaii. I mean, that's a killer location. My family was with me. You know, it was beautiful, and I'm a huge fan of Jurassic Park to begin with, so being part of this franchise is very exciting and surreal. It was a lot of fun.
I remember as a kid going to see these, you know, and you just stayed in the theater like all night. You'd watch one right after the other. I didn't pay for all of them. But, no, but I think I want to do this again. I've already seen it. It's fantastic. But I think about, you know, the excitement. Did you go back and watch any of the originals?
Oh, yeah. I definitely watched all of the originals leading up to this, as well as other movies that Colin, our director, told me to watch just to kind of get myself prepped.
What was it like to interact with these dinosaurs? Because some people I know they use golf balls, but
yeah.
I don't want to give away too many surprises, but.
Right. Well, you know, I think in an attempt to make the interaction between myself and the dinosaurs feel real and organic, we had things other than just golf balls or tennis balls to interact with. So I was talking to actors. I mean, I was dealing with, there were guys who were like body movement specialists wearing these really amazing Raptor helmets. So it looked like I'm dealing with the Raptor right in front of me. Like, it's totally off screen too. So like, my interaction with them and telling them to back up, and they come at me and I'm like, hey man, back up. It was all very much an organic and real interaction between me and someone playing those roles. So in the wide shots where you can't have someone in there, we'd be pretending, but for the most important moments, those intimate moments, we were reacting opposite something.
Action!